got some place to set up for the night. So let's get the tent up and see you in a bit. Got all the tents. That's got to be the fastest setup time ever for that tent, man. Alright guys, we got camp set up, so let's go cook some dinner. Alright, dinner's all done here. Gotta finish up our toast. We're ready to chow down. That's the good stuff. Oh yeah. So good. Oh, so good. Alright guys, so last night was my first night sleeping in the van, and I gotta say, it was actually pretty comfortable. I just cut down the full-size memory foam mattress that I had at home. I cut it down to about 27 inches wide, still the same length, and it's just a metal cot style frame, so it was pretty comfortable. It got a little bit cold. I think maybe it got down a little bit below 50 degrees last night, but it stayed nice and warm inside my van. I just used a small fleece blanket. It's not even long enough to cover my feet, and I stayed warm. So yeah, we're gonna go check out probably the river in a bit and then make some coffee. So stay tuned. Oh yeah, look at this beautiful river, man. Doesn't get much better than this right here, right? You know what? I think it's time to set up the drone. Yeah, definitely. Alright, the drone didn't really work out. It was a little too windy. So, we're making ourselves some coffee here. And we're gonna probably go check out the lake. Alright, peace. Oh man, why does this coffee always hit better when you're out camping? It never tastes as good when I'm at home, man. I swear. Anyways, still kind of chilly outside, so just kind of hanging in the van for a little bit, waiting for the sun to come up a little higher and for it to warm up some. And then might take a little cruise down by the lake. And yeah, we're just gonna be chilling today. Not too much planned, just kind of relaxing, enjoying this beautiful scenery, man. Cheers. Hey guys, so I wanted to go fly my drone around the lake this morning, but it's just been super windy. So I've just been lounging in bed in the van, kind of relaxing, enjoying the breeze. I gotta go break down the tent because I didn't stake it down. I just put a little bit of weight in there, but it's flopping all over the place. And yeah, I'm gonna make some lunch and maybe find a different campsite tonight. I want to get a little closer to the lake if I can. It's Sunday, so all the weekend warriors should be taken off. We'll have a little more choice of where we want to set up. So, talk to y'all soon. Alright guys, so we're out here at Rimrock Lake. You can see in the background there. I just drove all the way around this giant lake. Took me about an hour. It's a beautiful drive. Let's see, give you guys a good view here. I think we're just gonna head on home and yeah, call it a good trip. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Next one we're definitely gonna be launching drones so you guys can get you know, a better view of all this beautiful nature. And thanks for checking this out. Hope to see you guys soon.